Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, Davido allegedly found a new lover, dumps Chioma. Details in a bit. News that Nigerian singer Davido has found a new lover has stirred a lot of reactions from Nigerians on social media. The Nigerian singer, in a video released on Saturday night, was spotted with American rapper Young Mi's ex-girlfriend Mia Yafai. Davido, who is currently on a holiday in St. Martin with his team, was seen holding hands with the Atlanta-based model as they arrived for an event at the Caribbean island. There have also been rumors that the duo have been together since December after his relationship to his supposed fiancée Chef Chioma allegedly crashed. You'll remember that the popular singer had earlier revealed that his relationship with his fiancée Chioma affected her and her family. According to him, after the assurance video, Chioma received hate messages from a lot of people. He also said it affected his relationship because Chioma went from being a private person to a public person. However, the latest video of Davido's supposed found love has continued to stir reactions on social media. While some said it was terrible to humiliate Chef Chioma, others were of the opinion that they have always known the marriage between singer and Chef Chioma would never work out. Although Davido and Chioma, after a family introduction in September 2019, were expected to get married last year, but the plan was paused due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The singer in an interview said the wedding would happen this year, although he did not give much details. But various reports said the ceremony may not happen again as Davido's heart appeared glued to Yafai. The model was in Nigeria last year to spend Christmas and New Year with Davido, and both lovebirds even journeyed to Accra, Ghana as part of their unforgettable time together. Yafai testified that she enjoyed herself as she wrote on Instagram, "I love you, Africa." Also, a video on her Instagram page froze some of her experiences, including a boat cruise on the lagoon. Another picture she posted on Instagram had the famous Davido slang "Tule" as caption. Reports said Chioma had stopped wearing her engagement ring since December, having gotten wind of Davido's new romance. On Saturday night, Davido and Chioma were trending on Twitter Nigeria, and yet so many people have so many things to say. The new buzz is however tied to the fact that Davido and Yafai are currently on St. Martin, a small island in the Caribbean that is a part of Kingdom of Netherlands, for vacation. Davido posted a photo on 26th of February in a private jet indicating he was on his way to the idyllic island known for lagoons, beaches and salt pans. Well, feels like there is trouble in paradise and so many people are already reacting. What then will be the fate of Chioma? Let's know what you think in the comment section down below, as it feels like Davido has found a new lover. Do you think this is true? Do drop a comment and remember to like and subscribe. See you soon.